Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a transition plugin in Filmora Wondershare. This is a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, you need to find a transition plugin you want to use. There are various websites where you can download plugins, both free and paid. For this example, I'm using a free transition pack from the official Filmora website. Once you've found a plugin you like, click on the download button and save it to a location on your computer where you can easily find it, like your downloads folder. Next, open Filmora Wondershare and go to the Effects tab at the top. Now click on the Mine button. Navigate to the folder where you saved the plugin file and select it, and click Open. Filmora will automatically import the transition plugin and you'll see it appear in the transition section under My Downloads. To use the transition, simply drag and drop it between two clips on your timeline. You can then adjust the duration and settings of the transition by double-clicking on it and using the options that appear in the Settings panel. And that's it! You've successfully added a transition plugin in Filmora Wondershare. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!